Hi, my name is Kathy and I'm the art teacher from Arch Projects for Kids. I'd like to show how easy drawing can be when you take it one step at a time. In today's drawing video, I'd love to show your students how to draw a bald eagle. They're a very strong and fierce looking bird, and this is my favorite way to draw one. The supplies for this project are pretty simple, just drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. There's also a matching tutorial that you can download from my website. Now before you begin to draw, it's really helpful to take a minute to create some guidelines on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease your paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really help you see where to put your pencil. Step number 1. Start by drawing a branch about here. It's really easy, just 2 lines that go across the paper. They don't have to be perfectly straight. In fact, bumpy ones will look even a little bit more realistic. Step number 2, the shoulders of the bird are going to start here. Make a mark and then start your line, drawing to the left, round the corner, and go down until you meet the branch. Notice that the line is about in the middle of that side of the paper. Go back to the top of the paper and draw a matching shape on the right side. It should also sit about in the middle of that side of the paper. Step number 3. The head is going to be an upside-down U shape like this, which tucks into the body. I like to draw the left side first, and then go back and draw the right side. It helps me see things better so that my shapes end up being even on both sides. Step number 4. Now it's time for the neck feathers to finish off the bottom of the head shape. Start on the left, make a zigzag line that goes down a bit, and then angles up to the right side. The reason is the eagle's head is turned to the left, so his bigger chest feathers will be lower on the left side. Now, because the head shape is in front of the shoulders, we need to erase the line that's inside. You don't need to see that anymore. Step number 5. It's time to add the beak on the left side of the head. That end should point down a little bit. Step number 6. This beak is wide and wraps around the head a bit, so show that by drawing a shape like this. And it's important to erase that small line inside before going any further. Now finish off the beak with a line that divides the top from the bottom. The best way I know to draw that fierce eye is simply a circle with a dot inside and a line above for the eyebrow. Okay, this eagle body includes the wings, so all you have to do to show that is to draw a line like this on the right side and then another one on the left side. That will look like the wings are folded up close to the body. Step number 7. The eagle claws are pretty large and need to look like they are wrapping around the branch. All you need to do to show this is start on the top above the branch and then draw 3 long claws underneath. And after you draw one, of course, draw the other to match it. And because these claws are in front of that branch, you need to erase any lines inside them too. Step number 8. The eagle's tail is going to extend down below the branch like this. Start with the 2 outside lines and then add a short tail shape between the 2. Notice it does go almost to the bottom of the paper. Okay, the eagle drawing is done, so some extra details like clouds could be added to the background. I'm going to draw about 2 that are going off the paper, but feel free to add more if you want. Step number 9. Once you have all the details you want added to your drawing, it's time to trace everything with a black marker. Those black lines will help everyone see your drawing, and I think it makes it a little easier to color too. When the tracing is done, it's good to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. And now it's finally coloring time. Bald eagles, as you may already know, have mostly brown feathered bodies. It does help to press as hard as you can when you color so you get a nice rich brown. I'm going to make that beak a golden yellow color. And I think I'll use the same for those claws too. Now, I usually color tree branches brown, but I think that would blend too much with my brown bird. Some tree bark is pretty dark, so I'm going to make this one black. And the only thing left to color now is the sky. Try to fill it in as much as possible so you don't have any white paper showing through. One last extra touch to try, if you want, is to add a shadow to the side of the head and the bottom of the clouds. You have to press really hard with the light gray crayon, but it can make a really nice soft shadow. Okay, this bald eagle drawing is done. I really like that this bird is made from mostly 3 simple shapes, those being the body and the head and the tail. That makes it really easy for almost anyone to draw one of these amazing birds. Hey, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this drawing tutorial. For more projects like this, please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you can find more lessons like how to draw the Statue of Liberty and how to draw the American flag. Thanks for coming, and I hope to see you again here real soon.